Dwi wrth fy modd yn cerdded a mi ydw i'n defnyddio'r wefan i gynllunio fy nheithiau a wedyn fedra i ddilyn fy llwybr ar fy ffôn symudol.
There's a really good facility where you can go back and forth in time. It's very educational as well.
Mae mam gi a fi'n mynd ar y wefan drefn sy'n dan gilydd a dwi'n dysgu am pan oedd hi'n ferch fach.
It's a really good way of sharing photos with family members in Italy.
As a tourist, I found the website very useful because you can research what you want to see and where you want to go before coming to Wales. And we're here. It's great.
Dwi'n rhan o grŵp hanes lleol a mae'n le da i ni rannu beth da ni ddarganfod efo pobl a gobeithio i annogi nhw i wneud yr un peth.
Mae'r wefan yn ddefnyddiol iawn i wneud gwaith cartre.
This website is really interesting and I'm finding out things I didn't know before and there's always something new to find.
Everyone has a story to tell. Share yours online and become part of the People's Collection.